guys, as you all read with the title, we will be answering the questions which we should know, like a 5th grade student must know, and we have already like completed our 5th grade, so we should definitely know. And I have my brother behind the camera. He will be asking this question, and the one who claps first and the one who answers first will be winning the game. So let's start. खा लेते पहले खा.
First question: who was the first Prime Minister of India?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Second question. What is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh?
UP
Shillong.
Wrong.
Shillong में. I'll say. Dispur.
Wrong.
Silchar.
Wrong.
सिलचर वाला कहीं और ही है. अरुणाचल प्रदेश है. रांची.
Wrong.
रांची.
सिलचर वाला कहीं और ही है.
कहाँ जा रही है?
Okay, everyone wrong. The answer is Itanagar.
मुझे पता था. पता नहीं.
Both of them zero. Okay, third question.
Yeah.
Where is the gateway of India located?
Delhi.
Wrong.
Mumbai.
Cap one of zero.
Yeah.
India गेट तो दिल्ली में.
Gateway of
India
India.
gate is in Delhi. Gateway of India is in Mumbai.
मैं ये अपलोड नहीं कर रही वीडियो.
I know. If I would have asked India gate, everyone would have told. That's why I changed it to Gateway of India.
Correct.
I wasn't concentrating on it.
Okay, next question. How many milk teeth does a child have? You know milk teeth, wisdom teeth. Before the original teeth comes, there will be milk teeth. They fall off after 5 to 6 years. How many teeth does a child have on birth? Wrong.
No, it's like 20s में होगा फिर.
Then.
26.
1 2 3 4
26.
8.
Wrong.
8.
Wrong.
खत्म कर दो. What's the answer?
The answer is 20.
Oh, I said 26. I said ना 20s में होगा. हाँ.
Next. Which is the most sensitive organ in our body?
Eyes.
Wrong.
Skin.
Skin. Skin is the right answer.
साइंस स्टूडेंट है साइंस. तभी आंसर दे. मैं हिस्ट्री वाला हूँ.
पर हाँ तो इतनी देर से वो हिस्ट्री के क्वेश्चन.
साइंस वाली है तो इसलिए.
Okay, next question. Who discovered India?
हिंदुस्तानी.
हिस्ट्री पढ़ी है ना.
मेरे को आइडिया है.
Who discovered India?
Who discovered?
वास्को डी गामा.
ये वो तो श्रीलंका का है.
वो गोवा का है.
First,
ओह सॉरी.
नहीं पता.
don't answer without clapping.
Okay. Yeah.
हाँ ठीक है ठीक.
No guesses, only one answer. One chance for each of you.
एक.
You said me, you were discussing.
But I said Vasco da Gama. You
वो
said
तो
he was
गोवा
from
का है.
Sri Lanka.
No,
But
गोवा
he
का है.
discovered-
Both India and Sri Lanka.
हाँ.
But I said Vasco da Gama.
You explain me one thing. How come you can discover Sri Lanka and you can't discover India? How come you discover India and you can't discover Sri Lanka? Okay, next question. Which is the largest coffee producing state in India?
Darjeeling.
Wrong.
आसाम.
Wrong.
Kerala.
Wrong.
खत्म. अब कॉफी कहाँ मिलती है?
तमिलनाडु.
Wrong. Time up.
What's the answer?
The answer is Karnataka.
वो देख मैं थोड़ा.
कर्नाटक में कॉफी मिलता है.
मैं थोड़ा सा आगे जाता कर्नाटक यार.
Okay, next question.
Okay.
Which is the topest layer of our atmosphere?
Stratosphere.
Wrong.
Troposphere.
Wrong.
Mesosphere.
Wrong.
हेमिस्फीयर.
Wrong.
हेमिस्फीयर तो सर्कल होता है.
तो वो लेयर में ही आता है.
Okay, time up.
टी-शर्ट भी हो गया.
The answer is exosphere.
It's all the spheres.
So you will have 30 seconds is very much high. You will have only 20 seconds. Yeah, 30 is too much time.
Okay, we'll be
Okay.
having 20 seconds. Yeah.
Next question. Who invented computer?
ये कुछ तो भी नाम था इसका.
सबको याद होगा क्योंकि सबने पढ़ा है कंप्यूटर लैब में. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यही है.
मेरे को नहीं मालूम.
Okay, time up. The answer is Charles Babbage.
Charles Babbage.
Okay, next question. Next question. How many cricket World Cups have India won?
तो मतलब
नहीं यार इसको सोच रहा है ये सोच रहा है.
World Cup.
वर्ल्ड कप 2.
Yeah, right.
ये Yes.
Cap 1. Cap 3, Ammu 1. Okay, next question. Which is called the powerhouse of a cell?
Mitochondria.
Yeah, right.
यार ये गलत हो गया, आप इसको भी
No, that's simple GK question. Everyone should know that.
तू बाहर निकल.
Okay, next question. Which is the longest river on earth?
Nile.
Cap 1, Ammu 0. Okay, next question. Which is called the brain of the computer?
CPU.
Yeah, right.
Thank you.
Okay, next question. Which is the smallest number that can be formed by using digits 5063? 10 seconds up.
0563.
Wrong. 0356.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Hey, it's so easy. How
Yeah,
is that?
actually,
There
no,
are no
actually-
digits.
मैंने
You
समझा.
just put the digits in
Yeah,
ascending order.
exactly. I got it. But still,
क्वेश्चन वैसा होता है ना, ऐसे से होता था.
इसको ये हिंदी मीडियम में पास आउट हुआ है.
पढ़ाया. इंग्लिश मीडियम.
तेरा केंद्र विद्यालय देखा है.
Okay, next question. Which of the following is an example of a tap root? There are 4 options. The options are wheat, corn, rice, and coriander.
Corn तो it's not. Oh, सुनो तू बता रहे.
Following example of a tap root.
कोरिएंडर.
Coriander.
Is it coriander?
Yeah, it's not rice, it's not corn, it's not wheat.
It has fibrous root actually. Okay, it's okay. Next.
Coriander is the tap root. Okay, Cap 5, Ammu 3. Okay, next question. Who was the first Indian in space?
Neil Armstrong.
Wrong. I asked the first Indian, not
Kalpana Chawla.
no. Kalpana Chawla was an Indian American
Okay,
astronaut.
She didn't went to moon.
She was an Indian.
आर्यभट्टा.
No. Aryabhatta.
आर्यभट्ट.
उसने zero discover किया.
भैया जी आपका नॉलेज तो कमाल का है.
वाह बेटे वाह.
ए चल रहे.
आप तो बड़े हेवी नॉलेज है यार, आपके तो बड़े हेवी नॉलेज है.
यार.
The answer is Rakesh Sharma. Yeah, there's been movie also coming out with Shah Rukh Khan as the lead role on Rakesh Sharma.
I didn't know.
Okay, next question. Yeah, there are 2 questions in this one. Who built Taj Mahal and who built Jama Masjid?
Taj Mahal, Shah Jahan. I'll
Okay.
get half a point. I don't know Jama Masjid. You should know Jama Masjid. You're Muslim. Come on.
No half points. If you answer both only, you will get 1 full point.
Hey, that's not fair.
जामा. कोई तो मुस्लिम ही होगा.
No, that thing I know.
Kaif Khan.
मेरा भी हो सकता है.
Some Khan.
नहीं खान.
No one?
वो भी शाहजहां ही होगा.
Okay, I asked. I didn't allowed it to the half mark because both the answers are Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan built Jama Masjid. You didn't answer me. तूने मेरे को नहीं बोला.
तो अभी तो मैंने बोला वो भी शाहजहां ही होगा.
That doesn't matter. मैंने pass कर दिया.
यार.
So both are Shah Jahan. Next is a true or false questions.
Okay.
All squares are rectangle.
False.
All squares are rectangle. True.
True.
That's true. That's not all squares are rectangle, but not all rectangles are squares.
मेरा
Cap 6, Ammu 3.
point है मेरा point.
ना बन
Now you just got 7 more questions to get an overtake. But out of which 2 questions will be of mathematics.
Oh yeah, man.
So bad in
मैं
mathematics.
तुक्का
I
मारूंगा
suck
इसमें
in
एक बार.
mathematics. तू पहले से ही तुक्का मार रहा है.
Okay, next question. Which is the smallest planet of our solar system?
Mercury.
Yeah, that's right. Cap 6, Ammu 4, Wish 4.
इसने कल ही पढ़ा था.
The next question. There are 415 coins among 4 friends. 415 coins. 4 friends. And the coins have been distributed equally between 4 of them. How many coins will be left? How many coins have we given? I'm asking how many coins are left
15.
when they are distributed equally.
Oh.
15.
No,
सौ बात देंगे ना चलो लोगों को.
115.
no.
Then?
That's
अच्छा,
just 3. You cannot distribute each of them will be getting 103 coins. So there will be 412 coins will be distributed. The rest is 3. So total is 415 coins.
We can even distribute 100 coins, right?
No.
अरे नहीं तभी equal नहीं
Equally
होगा ना.
distributing.
4 people are there.
15 क्यों
Hey.
बचेंगे फिर? 15 में से भी
15 में से भी equal.
Ah, you still 15 coins you can distribute that equally. No.
I got it.
मेरे को मालूम था.
Why you want to leave the 15 coins? You can distribute it.
3.
इसको नहीं मालूम.
मैं तो सोच मैं
Okay.
वहाँ भी
मैं
नहीं
अपना
समझा.
पैसा बचा रहा था.
Next question. It has an 3 subheadings. Give an example of each. An acute angle, an obtuse angle, and a right angle.
मैं पानी पी के आती हूँ.
These are only third grade questions. An acute angle, an obtuse angle, and a right angle.
I know right angle, that is 90 degree.
Okay, there is an acute and an obtuse angle.
Acute and
Acute is like 45 degree.
You have told that right angle is 90 degree,
90 degree.
and then you tell one for 45. That is which one, acute or obtuse?
Acute.
Okay, next obtuse.
Acute 45.
same thing I also said.
45 and
Time's up. No one gets the point. The answer is right angle is 90 degree, and 45 degree acute angle is right of both of you. But obtuse angle is 65 is not possible because 0 to 90 is acute angle and 90 to 360 is obtuse angle. Anything above 90 is obtuse angle.
Common sense है यार.
You're telling me that 65 is an obtuse and 45 is an acute. How is it possible?
तेरे पास क्यों नहीं है?
मैंने बोला
मैंने पहले बोला.
मैं बोला
चल
Okay,
रहा है.
last 4 questions. Okay, which is the largest island in the world?
अंडमान.
Wrong.
मुझे कोई आइलैंड ही नहीं पता. मालदीव्स.
Wrong.
श्रीलंका.
Wrong. The answer is Greenland. Have you seen Indian world map?
But I
This is
never
Greenland.
knew that Greenland.
Yeah, even your answers were not even close enough. Australia is an island which is much bigger than Sri Lanka, Andaman.
Australia is an island.
So, well, how can you done Australia is covered fully with water? Anything that is covered with water on 4 of sides, it's an island.
तो सारा मूड खराब.
Okay, last 3 questions. Okay, what is the time taken by sunlight to reach Earth?
Bro, it's not
तो
fair.
physics
It's definitely not like the
It's physics.
questions.
Sunlight to
Reach Earth.
0.00001 second.
0.23 seconds.
No, that's an easy answer.
Can you give any like
Zero.
hint?
There is not 0. It takes much more time.
Hint.
More time.
Hint.
1 minute.
Yeah, the sun is about 1.5 million kilometers from Earth.
Okay, so any hint?
No,
It's a
light
single
travel.
digit.
What?
Single digit and comes in minutes.
9,
Wrong.
7.
Wrong.
Hey, ऐसे
Well,
बोलो
that's
फिर
it.
तो,
You will be saying
हाँ.
1 to 9.
I know it's 6.
Wrong. 2 guesses only.
I already said 3. It's not.
Okay, only 1 guess you got.
0 to 1 minute.
No.
No, you
It's a-
can't extend.
it
You
is
can't
a-
extend. It's enough.
It is a single digit and it comes in minutes.
3.
Wrong. 8 minutes.
See, I left 8. I said
It-
6. I said
well,
7. I said
it
9.
exactly it takes 8 minutes 18 seconds, but you can say 8 minutes is enough for most of the time. Okay, last 2 questions. Name all the 5 oceans of the world.
5.
Oceans.
Marina क्या है? Bay of Bengal.
Oh, wrong.
Okay, that's not an ocean. It's okay. Pacific Ocean,
Hmm.
Atlantic Ocean,
Hmm.
Indian Ocean.
Hmm. There are 2 more. There are 2 more oceans you left. One at the top of the world map, another at the bottom of the world map. Those 2 oceans. Question. Even third class student knows this.
हाँ, लेकिन
How many oceans are there? It's geography. Time's up. The answer is Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and then the Antarctic Ocean. That is in below sound. You can also call the Antarctic Ocean as Southern Ocean.
Antarctic बोला था, Arctic बोलना भूल गया.
Check. Okay, last question.
मैं बोल भी तो मैं हार जाऊँ.
Yeah, the question is which is the smallest country in the world?
New Zealand.
No. Another alternate question. What is the largest country in the world?
China.
Wrong.
Russia.
Russia. And the smallest country is Vatican City. Yeah, so Cap wins this round. Cap 7 and Ammu Wish 4. And you both failed in GK. Only 7 plus 4. Only 11 questions you have answered are out 26. That is not even 50%.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.